All right, welcome back, everybody. Okay, so this is the third part that we're going to be covering here in this training session. The first part was to show you how to scan a document and convert it to a PDF. The second part showed you essentially how to download it and how to type on that document, which you could also have your students do and then share the document back with you. Now, in this third part, what I'm going to do is essentially show you how to create a folder in Google Drive and how to upload the document to Google Drive, which it might be something that a lot of you know how to do. I'm also going to show you how to share this document with your students, and I'm going to be kind of improvising this or improving it as I run through it. So there's a chance that there might be a pause or two, so I apologize. All right, so essentially we're done working in Gmail for now. Okay, so notice I'm using the Chrome browser, and I like to use Chrome because it allows you to upload an entire folder full of documents in one shot. So you could save a bunch of stuff on your desktop, and you could upload that folder instead of doing individual files. I do not believe that Safari or Firefox will let you do that. That'll only let you do a single document or multiple documents at a time, but not a folder full of stuff. All right, so what we're going to do is go up to our little apps bar up here, click on that. And we're going to go down to Google Drive. Okay, and Drive's going to open up here in just a sec. All right, so in Drive, I've uploaded stuff before. I've got quite a few things that are uploaded and quite a few items that have been shared with me, and some of the stuff we'll go over in the training. I'm just trying to get you to the bare minimum on what to do. Now, what I'm showing you to do here, upload this PDF. You could also upload a PowerPoint. You could upload a Word doc. Anything digital you have on your computer, you're basically going to upload it using this format. Okay, so what we want to do is let's create a folder to put all those guided notes in. So we're going to create a folder. Okay, we're going to name the folder Guided Notes. Okay, and we create that folder. Okay, looks like the folder's right here on the left-hand side. Okay, so there's my folder. It says drop files here or use the red upload button. So you could literally drag the file from your desktop onto your screen right here off to the right side. You can grab the file, plop it right there, and it's going to automatically drop it into the folder. Or if you like to use, simple step-by-step process, you simply click the upload button right here. And I'm going to be looking for a file on my computer to upload, and I want to upload the Guided Notes Learning Styles. Now, the original was called doc.pdf, and we're not using that. I renamed it Guided Notes Learning Styles PDF. Click on Open. And it is now uploading. It's now uploaded. It's officially online, and it's now in my Drive folder. It's under My Drive on the left side, and there's a folder right here. And these are other folders I've created for my classroom and for my own studies and so on. Okay, so we shrink that down. All right, now I could share this folder with my students if I want to. I'm going to show you essentially just how to share this document. I want all my students to have this document. And so from here, now if you created lists at all, like for email or in any other process through Google, your lists have been saved. What I do at the beginning of the year is I simply type out the names of my students on a basic document for each class, and then I can just cut and paste all those emails into one share box right here, and then they can all receive it. Let's just say that I want to share this particular file with well, I've got a couple other Gmail addresses that I could use, so let's share it with myself, travis.patushka@gmail.com. That's my other email address that I use sometimes. Okay, I want to be able to edit. I want that person to be able to edit that particular document, and I'm going to send it to them. Okay, then it says you are sharing to travis.patushka@gmail.com. Who's not in Google Apps? This item belongs to you. Yep, go ahead and share it anyway. All right, so now it's been shared with me. I should be getting an email in my mailbox that says this item has been shared with you. I can click on it. I can download it from there. And there you go. So it's officially been uploaded, and I can go back to my Drive if I want to. And I can look at all the stuff that I have. I've got things that have been shared with me before. Okay, I've got start items, recent items, and so on. Now under my Drive, again, that's where you find your folders. Okay, and that one was called Guided Notes. Now, to share a folder with a student, or anybody for that matter, say you got a folder full of documents and you just want to share that whole folder with them, there's a little drop arrow right here. So you click on the drop arrow and you have all these different options. Okay, you could share it, okay, and then once you click on there and click on share, you put the name of that person in there. Like I said, if you had a whole list of your students, if you had all their email addresses on one single document, listed by class, you could cut and paste all their addresses right here in one shot, hit done, and it's going to share. All right, so that's essentially what you do. Um, Other things I'm going to show you how to do in class are going to be how to create a document using Google Drive, because you can create a Word doc on here. You can create a presentation, a spreadsheet, save it whatever form you want to. So that's going to come later on during the class. We'll cover all that if you have questions about it. But I just wanted to get you in a basic functional form so that you'd be able to create folders, store stuff in them, and go from there. Okay, so if you follow these steps, you should be set. All right, thanks.